Hello, Floydies.
Where are you going today?
Well, you know, gotta take out the recyclables.
Once
And-
again, I'm holding the camera, and you got the work.
Oh, you know, a mother's work is never done. We have a rock chip here. We have a crack that goes all the way across the windshield. We're taking the car in to get the windshield fixed.
Yes, take a look. We pointed out before, that one's pretty easy to find, right? And is there one more? Yeah, there's this little chip over here. I've never seen a crack that close to the bottom of a windshield before. But the thing is, you don't notice it in the driver's area, right?
No.
So it hasn't been a pain. Why are we doing it?
Well, because if you have such a beautiful luxury car,
Right.
you want it to match the rest of the car. I mean, you could drive it around because you can clearly see out fine,
Right.
but I don't know, there's just something not right about that.
True enough.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to cost about 300 Canadian dollars, about $250 US. That's the estimate. Let's see if that's what it comes in as and how long it takes.
Yes.
We don't want to be without the car for like a week.
No.
It'd be nice if it was just a day.
We have some nice days coming up, so we want to use the car. So hopefully it'll be done by the end of the day tomorrow. The car is washed and we have our windshield back. And look how pretty it is.
There are no cracks.
There are no cracks. It definitely matches the rest of our car. Yeah, and I was just going to show you the bill. So to have a full windshield replaced on the Lexus SC, it was only $292, $307
With tax.
with tax, which is not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad for a brand new windshield.
And oddly enough, it is the same brand. I don't know if you guys know this one. It's the same brand as what we had on there before. So this is a replacement for the replacement.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it would be more. It was just too cracked to fix.
Yeah.
And we do have tape on it, and that'll come off in a day.
Yeah.
We got it done yesterday.
Yep. Yeah, they said to leave it on for 48 hours before you remove the tape. So, yeah.
But
Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it.
a cosmetic change, but worth it.
Definitely. And
All right.
please, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget, we'd appreciate it.
Because Mary Grace needs a nice to have a ride in, right, Mary Grace?
Hi.